Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to group text boxes and shapes in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Then go to the insert menu. Select the shape option and choose any shape. Now I am select the arrow pentagon. Then draw the arrow and go to the shape format menu. You can change the fill color. Now we go to the insert menu and select the text box. Then draw a text box. You can write, otherwise paste any text. Now I am paste some text. Press Ctrl V. Select the text and go back the home menu. Increase the font size. Now you want to group the text boxes and shape. Press and hold the shift and select the multiple object. Go to the shape format menu. Select group option. Make it group. Now we can see we group text boxes and shape easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.